Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pipedrive dashboard reports for sales forecasting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Pipedrive dashboard reports for sales forecasting, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu on the left. Click on the plus add widget button located at the top right of the dashboard. Choose the type of report you want to create for your sales forecasting. Select the pipeline report type to visualize your sales process. Adjust the report settings to reflect the relevant sales stages you want to include. Filter the report based on parameters like time period and deal status to narrow down your focus. Next, explore the goals feature. Add specific sales goals that align with your forecasting needs. Once you set your goals, you can track your progress visually on the dashboard. Consider adding a summary widget to provide a quick overview of key metrics. You can also include charts to represent data trends and performance visually. To customize your dashboard further, rearrange widgets by simply dragging and dropping them into place. Review your dashboard to ensure it accurately represents your sales forecasts and metrics. Save your dashboard setup to retain all your adjustments. Regularly revisit your dashboard to update reports and goals as needed. This will help you stay aligned with your sales forecasting objectives. Congratulations, you have now set up your Pipedrive dashboard for effective sales forecasting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.